Hey friend, it's John, and in this video I want to show you exactly what's expecting you behind the paywall. I'll walk you through our school community, show you exactly how you'll get from having zero idea what and how to run cold outbound, all the way to getting our system fully implemented into your business within 90 days. Yes, and for that, I'll take you literally through the community from left to right, because then it will make the most sense for you specifically while you're watching. So let's get straight into it. So as soon as you join, you'll be greeted in this community tab where we have a bunch of posts and people are chatting, people are asking questions, people are introducing themselves, right? And this is basically the community part of this where you can actually network, you can ask questions, you can get answers. And I'll be in here pretty much all day long, responding to people, recording personalized videos if they have questions that are a little more complicated, right? And I'll literally just try to educate and have some fun with the members. So does every other member with one another. It's a pretty nice community, I can highly recommend. And we have multiple channels within this community thing. So we have announcements for general stuff that I have to announce. So this is literally me broadcasting over to you, be it for live calls or some action that I need you to take, whatever else it might be, right? And in general, that's pretty much everyone's space. Everyone can chat in general. You can ask questions. You can share stuff that you've experienced over the last weekend because you went hiking, whatever it might be, right? So you can share everything in general. You can chat around, and it's pretty nice place to just chill around with people. So that's pretty cool. And talk about outbound like proper nerds. That's pretty cool. And then we have wins. This is literally where you would post every single win that you have had with our system. Right now, this is completely empty because we have started the school pretty much a couple days ago. We've already 64 members. It's super nice. We're growing super quickly, and we're also looking to monetize, which is why you're seeing this video right now, because I want to show you what you'll get. So how will you start from 0 to hero? This is where the classroom comes into play. And right now I have this admin view, so you'll only probably see only these 3 or maybe one extra one later on. But essentially, you'll start with the cold email mastery course, where I'll take you through the entire system of mine from start to finish. This has action items and it shows you actually how to do it. So this is super important for you if you have no idea how to set things up. Because as soon as you have this set up, you are ready to send emails. And as soon as you're ready to send emails, you'll get started, like you'll start getting responses. And to handle these responses, Leon has recorded this fully updated, like this is fully up to date. This is exactly how we do it, right? The appointment setting course. And it shows you clearly how he is setting appointments for our clients. And he has been doing this for enterprise clients as well. So this is really good stuff. Like it's actually really good. Super nice. And this will take you from 0 to hero, essentially. Like you will need to be able to respond to messages because you're reaching out to cold traffic, meaning these people are complete strangers to you. And if you mess it up after getting the response, you'll never really book readings reliably. And if you've ever run cold outbound, you'll probably have realized this as well. So this is a huge part of this entire system, more so than just running the cold emails. Because right now, like if you ask, I run the cold emails mainly for our agency, and I'm using and abusing Claude Code so hard. It's basically running everything for me, which is super cool. And the cooler thing about this is all of the things that I use are literally behind this thing. So you will get access to them. Be it building prospect lists, scraping emails for almost free. Like it's super cheap. We're paying a 60th of what you would usually pay for a validated email address. Super nice. You will write copy, like it will literally write your email scripts, and they will be good because they're trained on the things that I've been emailing so far and all the winning scripts that we've gathered over tens of millions of cold emails. So we have a full database with winning scripts, we have skills, we have machine learning algorithms, and they've literally figured out what the best email looks like. So whenever Claude writes a new email, it's usually a banger. You'll get access to that. I get goosebumps off of this stuff. Like it's actually cool, right? So this is super nice. You'll get access to this as well. But then if you have this figured out and this figured out, and you're running emails, you're getting leads. Like you will get the leads, 100% you will get leads. You will need to be able to set appointments. So I personally think this is the main part of this entire community because we have built a software which we have put a demo, like if you swipe once to the right hand side, we have recorded a demo of our software that we use internally to book meetings ASAP. Crazy speed to lead, crazy efficient response management, having your assets and SDR nodes in there, enriching their phone numbers and all of that stuff, like actually responding properly. We have all of that in the software, and Leon is literally like, if you literally swipe like this, you will see the demo of the system. So look at that later on. That's going to be the heart of this, because running cold emails really is only a tech issue. It's really a tech issue. It's not that much of a skill issue. You just need to know how the tech works. And I'll teach you how the tech works. And then Claude will run the rest for you. So that's pretty much this. And at some point after we have our first few live calls, you'll also have another folder called live call recordings. So you can rewatch live calls. Yes. But that's pretty much in terms of the courses. So you will start with cold emailing. Then you will get to running cold email with Claude. And then you will be able to set appointments from that using our software, which you will get free access to if you join our community. Like literally the price you paid in school, like whatever the price right now is, I think right now it's $49 or something. We'll raise the price crazy at some point. But whatever that price is, that includes our software. It's literally free. It's literally included. And you get access to 800 million contact databases that we have accumulated. And on top of that, you get all the email scrapers and whatever else I just talked about. Like, it's crazy. Super nice. Yes. I wish I had this all the way back then. But yeah, it is what it is. So that's that. Then we have a calendar. And the calendar is basically it's our calendar where we schedule events. So weekly live calls or spontaneous live calls, meetups, maybe in person, right? I actually, I would really love to host meetups at some point. Would be super sick. Like, we just literally started. So for now, it's just live calls. You can ask me anything in the live calls, and all the questions that didn't get answered in the live calls, I will 100% go through all of them. And if I can answer them properly, I'll record a personalized video just for you to answer your question. Yes. You'll get them answered by me. Like, it's as close to one-on-one consulting as I could make it. So that's how this stuff works. Then we have the members. That's not really relevant. Leaderboards. That's pretty cool. Right now, I was thinking that we should definitely incentivize people to engage more. And I think the nicest incentive is if you reach level 8, I'll give you 6 months of free access, which I think is pretty cool. So that's pretty cool. And engagement means you help out other people in the community. You make new posts. You share your wins, right? All of that stuff. If you just use the community, you'll get there eventually and you'll get 6 months for free. Pretty cool. Yes. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much all from my end. Now, swipe once, watch the demo of the software because it's super sick. And after that, you can click the yellow button on the right-hand side of your screen, and you can then start a free trial. You can chat with me. You can ask me your questions. You can check out the courses. You can try it out for 7 days. And if you don't like it, you just cancel. If you like it, you stay. That's pretty much it. See you inside.